All you care about is money, sex, and cool AI videos. So today I'm going to show you how to use AI to create a viral video where you can replace yourself with any character in the world. This is probably going to be your favorite AI tool that you see on the internet. Wonder Dynamics is a product that lets you replace any person in any shot with a fully rigged 3D model in like 3 minutes. To rig a model means you're telling a 3D software where the model's joints are, how it moves. That takes days and days to complete. Wonder Dynamics streamlines that process into like 1 or 2 minutes. It's crazy. If you're a 3D artist, you don't have to spend 2-3 days away from your family and friends to rig your characters after you create them. It's done in like 2-3 minutes, man. Go out, have some fun. Go to the bar, play some basketball.